Hey guys, welcome to Mountain Road Adventure. I'm Tyler, Sarah's behind the camera, and this is my new Jeep. Long story short, the old Jeep was not where I wanted it to be, and it would have taken a ton of money to get it to where I wanted it to be, basically where this one's at. So I ended up selling it. So I found this one for a really good deal on Facebook. It already came with the JT axles front and rear and the wheels and tires in 37s. When I first bought this Jeep, the links were made out of gas pipe and the welds were very not good. So me and Daniel, which you've seen on the channel before, rebuilt this thing from the ground up. So this Jeep wasn't in very good shape when I first got it. So we tore it apart from, put it on jack stands, his hover Jeep for a bit, and we rebuilt all the links. Well, actually Daniel did, I did a little bit. Rebuilt all the links, all new geometry on the suspension, and basically just polished up this turd so it looks like a functional Jeep. So what it has is 37s on 17-inch wheels, pretty basic setup there. I don't know how tall the lift is. It's pretty custom. I have spring height adjusters on there, so I don't know exactly where it's set, maybe a little higher. It came with this bumper. It's a decent bumper. It'll work for now. Still the 5.2, like I mentioned earlier, Gladiator axles, front and rear. Installed myself some rock sliders on it. I did remove the rear bumper off my old Jeep and put it back on this one because, well, Daniel made that one and it's really nice. Rocking a full custom long arm kit. So a lot of the stuff on here is just very custom. I'm still running the Bilstein shocks from the old Jeep. Removed those and brought them with me here. And the gearing in it, I believe, is 488 from when I measured it, but I am not 100% sure. Still running the front axle disconnect on here. I have it switched up to a switch. So when I'm on the highway, I can just flip it off and the drive shaft won't turn. Yeah, so we're gonna start taking this thing out, just still piecing some small things together. Still gotta get some new links. The Heims are no good on this anymore. So I'm gonna probably go with some kind of Johnny joint or one of those non-Heimed joints. Yeah, look forward to taking this thing out and showing you guys what she can do. And I'm excited as well to really experience what this thing's capable of. So enjoy the B-roll, and we'll see you guys in the next one.